It's taken 3 flights and about 36 hours of travelling for me to be here this week. I've left behind my 2 boys, my husband, a dog, 4 chickens, and they are all in charge of our Airbnb guests too. What could possibly go wrong? We moved to New Zealand last year from the UK. So you can imagine the upheaval that we went through to get there. In telling you that little bit of my story, I have shown you a few storytelling techniques that include creating intrigue, capturing attention, and hopefully intriguing you enough that you want to go a little deeper. There are 2 things that I think we get wrong as operators when we're communicating to guests. One is we talk in our language, in our dialect, with our colloquialisms, with our idioms, and they are lost completely on people perhaps just from the other end of the country. It's going to be lost doubly on somebody who is a native French speaker or a Croat. So think about how you tell your stories in a way that ensures that your target guest, and if they're not a native English speaker, resonates with them.